Ladies and gentlemen, today we want to talk about Ipodo market.
Okay.
For market history and location. We want to talk about with
Ipodo market.
And I go Ipodo market myself last week, Monday. And I saw things for myself.
Okay.
If you do Ipodo market, call us because now I want to talk about for market history and location for Ipodo market, right? Information minister, what you say? You won't give us something.
I want giving us something on this market where we talk about. So around that area, apart from Ipodo market, we did there. Alade market today there. GSM market today there. For Ikeja, yes. Computer village day there. Power market today there. Around that Ikeja side.
But today we won't focus
now
on
Ipodo market. We won't focus on today.
We do small research. Because you say for that Ipodo market,
hey,
that they sell. Hey God, that they sell drugs.
Wait first, before the drugs, before the things, they sell other things for there during the daytime.
Okay.
But now during the night time, people of the underworld.
Even daytime self, when I reach there, I see things. Yes, so not be small. When I reach there, yes, so.
Because the one where me know now, you know, during the daytime they go sell normal things where they use for house, groceries, all those choppy things. Therefore, night time, now in the shenkulas them go come outside. They sell themselves, their market. Then those where they sell the both them they go come outside. Men of the underworld.
Forget on that. Take over when I reached there on Monday last week, I saw things on myself. The person will carry me around, carry me go where they for they sell all the cocaine there, all those things there. We just see the boys they just perch. They perch for different corner.
During daytime.
Now he say Sam, say them now they be this. He say just approach it now say you won't buy. They go just so they smoke the thing where so they smoke and they around. Then the person go carry me around near the Oba Palace when they there. Yes, the Oba Palace they near there. I walk up past them. Then again for the Ipodo market, you go see. They go show you one yellow sign when they put for gram.
Okay.
For the front of all the shops. So I could ask one of the sellers, say, why it be like that? He said, the Yaloja now put the yellow sign. He said, that one means, say, you're not supposed to shade things beyond that yellow sign. But all of the shade pass enter the road, Jare. He said, so if the sign that they come, they go rush their things, enter inside shop. I said, sure. Then the woman called, they say, one of the women, when I say, hey, he said, the Yaloja, he said, anytime she enter market, they must dash am. They must raise 100K and give her.
Just like that.
They must just give her 100K cash. Any day she just throw enter the market. They just give her money like that. 100K must drop.
That's serious.
They start to. So for the market, for them, they go the information minister.
Tell me.
Yeah, the market, in fact, around the market, you go see. Hey God, let me say for the market, you go see where all these shankers they
now I talk now. All those shankulas them.
You know that's the all those. You know that's the. Opio, they did that. So you go see one 3-story building. Now they occupy and finish. So all those guys, they buy things for the market.
The time where I even know of the market that time, they said the shenkulas then they waka come outside almost naked. Said they know they wear clothes.
I see that day now when I go money now.
Oh, they say they do.
My
God.
Oh
boy!
If you see that, you go not see that them be this go, but not be. I not blame them. I not accuse anybody.
But what do you go buy for the market?
Am I not a broadcaster? If I not go, you dey crazy. If I not go, will I be saying this?
Carry you go.
I got the research.
Apart from research.
Yes, now. So as I was saying before, this Meleske.
Who is Meleske? Who is the Meleske?
Because they call disrupt me. So ladies and gentlemen, I see those guys. Some small guys. Some spray their hair gold, some white, some do one kind, some wear some kind clothes. They come outside. So the person they carry me around say, see there. They buy oil, they buy fish, they buy different things for Ipodo market. So now. You wait them. If you don't go Ipodo market before, call us now. Let's talk about Ipodo market today.
So.
Even you want to sell for that, if you are listening to us now, still call us. Tell us what you know about Ipodo market. Not forget saying market history and location. Now Ipodo market. Now we talk about today. For you don't understand. Hello, who did the phone line?
Ratata.
Yes, sir.
Oh boy, you don't work out.
I got there on Monday last night. As I close for market road like this, I work out go there now. I see for myself.
You work out that 3-story building, that was completed building.
You know me?
I know where.
Well,
we put the market go to buy things. My friend is near that area.
Oh, thank God say I not lie. I correct.
That building, the owner of the building, say na one ex-senator. The man don't die, so no fit complete the building. That there those who kill them there.
Oh, the man died before he complete the building, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
I see those people they sell those drugs. That daytime and night, then they just aside they different from the market.
Yes, exactly. Correct. You really know this guy.
I know they are now comfortably. My friend, then and they like to go there go buy food stuff because he they cheap for their pass at the stay.
Wow, you are very correct. You know that 3-story building. You are correct.
Hello, Ratata.
Yeah, you get 30 seconds, sir. Afternoon, sir. Be morning, anyone.
Good everything, Pastor.
Hey, Pastor Ogbi, Pastor. We dey hear you, sir.
So ask you a question, and that is you dodge the question.
Which question be that, Pastor?
Where did you go find it?
Am I not a broadcaster?
Broadcaster, not there on your station there.
Yes, sir. Is it not a market? Am I not doing market runs?
It's
Pastor?
okay.
You have finished market runs.
I went to see for myself. You see now, I will say I'm not seeing that 3-story building now. This man went call now. I've said the man they lie. But I saw it.
The only 3.
Pastor, me, we will
The only 3-story
I will
building.
carry you to the 3-story building, Pastor. You will go there. You go. You will. In fact, you will be sent there. You will go.
As evangelism.
You go there evangelism for them. What say right? That's the headquarters of all those guests for Lagos. Yeah. This person all the way from where? Now from abroad. This person for send this message.
Wow.
Okay, from Germany. Now he for send this message.
Good morning.
Yes. So morning. Your name and where they call us from?
And I'm blessing the talk from Ikeja.
Yeah. Let's go.
See, I die Ipodo market there. He then near my office here.
Oh, he then near your office.
Yes, as I'm sitting down for upstairs now, looking at the other place.
Wow.
You know that place? You they talk about that uncompleted building where they say all those girls school where they play music from morning to night.
Yeah.
You see that? You get one mosque where they decide that market there. Another road where follow that place enter.
I passed that road that day. Yes.
If you pass that road, go down. By your left, turn your left. The other road, just go down. That place, you go see Orishi.
Are you serious? Like what?
You know all those boys where they sell phone, where they say they will go carry phone from computer village. After they will pay the owner, they will use and come outside. They tell you say phone when they sell 150,000, they will tell you send 20,000. If you give them 20,000, they will wrap. They will come out 1,000. You and wrap paper.
Wow.
Give you back.
Are you serious?
You know to know. If you pursue them, now that road, now they go enter.
Road enter. Okay.
And if you mistakenly follow them,
enter there, you
place,
die where?
You are on your own because if you enter there, nobody go rescue you. All of them will there.
My God.
You can't see when they smoke, and you go stay far. The smoke self, you go see say house they burn.
My God.
That Ikeja market is no good. That side is no good at all. That left-hand side of Ikeja market.
Wow.
And the other side, then they sell food stuff and the rest of them.
Exactly.
But those girls,
those
girls, they go stand for morning till night. You go see Orishi. That place, they corrupt.
My God.
You go see Orishi girls, different dressing. Now there, they go there. They go play music from morning till night.
Wow.
Now there, then they. Right, you try. You just go look those girls for that place.
Hey. Why you they call the guests? No. Why you they focus on the guests now?
Why you shout way?
Madam, why they
when she talk other things, why you don't talk?
Why you say? Why you say I go look at the guests, madam? Are you implicating me? I want to do something. Let's go.
On top of WhatsApp, this one talk say he don't take for that place so because he say since 2009, he know of that Ipodo market for he say close to the bridge where they there. Say he go there go pick one letter for a friend from UK around 9 p.m. for night. Say he fear the place because guys they did there scatter. Now Amos from Okoko now send this one.
Anonymous, he said the biggest drug market there for Ipodo, not be only all those guests. So somebody said not be only those guests they start for there. He said the biggest drug market there for Ipodo market. 4 lines more go.
My question now be say that 100,000 when they give the yaloja now for waiting.
So I go ask the woman. She said she not know even because she herself she be seller for there. She show me in fact now she show me the yellow sign for front of every shop. They use like it be like paint. He said once the yaloja enter the market any day just throw enter. He said the market people must gather 100K and just give her and other things like food items. I say are you serious? Because yes, they say the office is there somewhere around the market. He say but nobody did the office that day when I go there. I be one go there myself that you not trust me. I be one go there now go.
You won't go as the yaloja.
No, if you go there 2 times in a
I be just one go.
Give them.
I just
that
one
woman
go
know what
ask
they do there. That one has to shut up.
Okay.
Let everything they go on there.
All right, thank you.
They understand.
Okay, no wahala.
What you call you go that place, Otata?
Of course, now that's why if I not go there that day, now if I not dey talk.
If I not get information to give una so.
And you hear say somebody called and
information answer you.
Yeah, thank you.
I have.
Okay, you have been there, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, what you see? Tell us what you see.
One thing I don't like. The way they pack their load come to the
road.
Like.
Okay.
We are passing.
Yeah.
Like space to.
Okay.
Anything. I don't know, and it's like maybe because of that 100,000 they used to give the lodger.
Yeah.
That make them not to talk anything about it. I don't know.
Okay.
So they always be like that, but that market.
Yeah.
I don't like the market, the way the market look.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. He said the way that they pack their things put for road. Now true that they said enter road.
You talk now.
They put yellow line for there, yellow mark, but they're not the yellow. Next call. Hello, there the phone line. Hello.
Hello, Ratata.
Yes, talk to us. Good morning, sir.
Hey, Ratata, how shall we do?
Yeah, I see you, sir.
My guy.
I hear us. Amingo, sir. Yeah, let's go, sir.
That place, that Ikeja one they talk to. What do you mean that place? All those boys when they smoke for there.
Yes.
They are very dangerous boys.
Okay.
Very, very dangerous boys.
Okay.
If they operate for early morning or night, if you go enter there, na wala for you.
A wala, yeah.
A big wala for you.
Somebody talk so. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Let's go. Yeah. Hello, there the phone line. Let's go there.
Ratata.
Yes.
You know what I suggest? Since you go there by yourself and notice all these things, why can't you take the information to the police?
Police say what? Mama, where you? You say go where? Who you are who? Which police?
Nigerian police.
I blame
your
you.
Friends.
I blame you. No, you not go. You not know police station. Abi, you say no, Abi. I don't go. I don't tell you. Maybe you say go tell police.
As you don't go, see with your eyes.
Go tell police. Some of them won't know where they for Ikeja.
Ikeja.
Right, yes.
Where for Ikeja?
They near under the bridge. They close from under the bridge. You can locate that place. Just ask say Ipodo market. Simple. They know so very much for Ikeja. I beg go. Some of them want to know. Una don't know now. And like I talk, Google things there. The good, the bad, and the ugly. There. I beg. So make our law enforcement. Make people just put one for better things.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.